asks us to find the solutions of this equation, x cubed equals to 8. The first method that comes to mind is to take the cube root of both sides. Then we can write cube root of x cubed equals to cube root of 2 cubed. Cancels out the 3 and we get x equals to 2. But this method doesn't give us all the solutions. We know that a cubic equation can have 3 distinct solutions. So to find all of them, let's subtracting 8 from both sides. X cubed minus 8 equals to 0. Now using what we remember from algebra, we can write 2 difference cubed, a cubed minus b cubed, factored as a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. Then for our equation, we can write x minus 2 times x squared plus 2 times x plus 2 squared, that is 4. Now, we said each factor equals to 0. X minus 2 equals to 0. Then we get x1 equals to 2. That's our first solution. Let's set other factor equals to 0. X squared plus 2 times x plus 4 equals to 0. Let's find the other solutions from this quadratic equation in the next page. We know that our first solution is x1 equals to 2, and we have to find the other solutions from this quadratic equation. We know that we can find all the solutions of this quadratic equation with using the quadratic formula. For our equation, we can set a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. We can write x equals to b, that is 2 plus minus the square root of 2 squared, 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4 over 2 times a, that is 2. That's equal to 2 plus minus the square root of minus 12 over 2. We can write it as 2 plus minus square root of minus 1 times the square root of 12 over 2. In mathematics, we call the square root of minus 1 as I. Then we can write x equals to 2 plus minus I square root of 12 over 2. That we can simplify to 1 plus minus I square root of 3. Then we get x2 equals to 1 plus I square root of 3, and x3 equals to 1 minus I square root of 3. And these are our other solutions. And as you can see, our solutions are x1 equals to 2, x2 equals to 1 plus I square root of 3, and x3 equals to 1 minus I square root of 3. Thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of tutorial, subscribe us.